Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your MetaMask account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So we're going to go to the MetaMask website, which is going to be metamask.io. Once you click here on your computer, you'll be redirected to the main website right here, where you're simply going to scroll down and click on Get MetaMask. Now from here is going to send you to the Chrome Web Store extension store, and then from here going to Add to Chrome. Since this isn't going to be a full app that you're going to download, yet it's going to be on your browser. Now from here, once it finishes download, you're going to go to the download section, and then you're going to install the MetaMask. Once you install the extension, you'll be redirected to this screen right here where it says let's get started. So you agree to all the terms and then you create a new wallet. Then from here, going to accept all the communication and then click on I agree. And then you're going to create a brand new password. Once you set a new password, click I understand and then create new wallet. And then from here, you can either remind later to secure your wallet, or you can do it right now, which is going to add a secret recovery phase or 12-step verification method. And then from here, skip. And then as you see, done, your MetaMask install is complete. Finally, you're going to click on next and done. And then from here, you're going to check the main page and voila, now you have your MetaMask account ready and set with your own portfolio. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.